Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the other data type available in Python, which are known as the collection data types. Collection data types are data structures that are used to store and organize multiple data items in a single container. In Python, there are several built-in collection data types, which provide various methods to access, manipulate, and modify the stored data items, and each has its own strengths and use cases. Right now, let's see the various types, and later we will look at the operations we can perform using these data types. First we have the lists, which are a collection of 0 or more ordered items that can be of different data types. In case of ordered items, the position of each element is significant and maintained. Lists are useful when the sequence of items matters, like in a to-do list or keeping track of events. Lists are created using square brackets or the list function. For example, let us create a list representing a person's basic information. Now, let us see our list and its data type. The items in the list are accessed by their index. For example, the profession of the person is kept in second index, which can be accessed like this. Note that in Python the indexing starts from 0. So, at 0 index we have name, which is a string, age is an integer at index 1, profession again a string at index 2, and so on. Next is the tuples, which are again a collection of 0 or more ordered items that can be of any data type. They are like lists, but they cannot be muted, meaning their elements cannot be changed after they are created. Imagine you are creating a system to store information about geographical locations and you want to make sure that the data for each location remains constant once entered. Tuples are created using parentheses or the tuple function. For example, person's basic information, which cannot be modified. This time we created a tuple about person's basic information, which cannot be changed. We can use print function to see this tuple. Another collection data type are sets, collection of 0 or more unordered items that can be of any data type. In unordered data, the position of elements is not meaningful. They are treated more like a bag of items. The sets are useful for removing duplicates from a list or for performing set operations like union, intersection, and more. Sets are created using curly braces or the set function. Imagine we want to store information of our friend's favorite things, whether it's a number, color, or animal. Now, why should we use a set for this? Well, it provides uniqueness, that is, each element in a set must be unique, which ensures that we don't accidentally duplicate a favorite thing. Further, they are mutable, so we can easily add or remove favorites as the friend's preferences change over time. They also provide quick lookups, so we can efficiently check if a specific item is already a favorite. And then we have the dictionaries, which are a collection of 0 or more key-value pairs where each key is unique. They are similar to sets, but they store values as well as keys. Dictionaries are created using curly braces or the dict function. Here, the name, age, and color are the keys, and alias, 25, and 1.65 are the values. On printing, the dictionary will appear like this. To summarize, list is used when we need an ordered and mutable sequence of elements. Tuple is used when we want an ordered but immutable collection. Set is used when we need an unordered and mutable collection of unique elements. Dictionary is used when we want to store data in key-value pairs and we need the ability to add, modify, or remove entries. So, this was about the various collection data types available in Python. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.